Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this was my review on the channel about deepfake face detection. So about our project, which is about layer-wise backward propagation for detecting fake face from real face. I'm now like a widget. So here the problem statement, according to the paper I reviewed, the problem statement was public trust is at risk due to deepfake manipulation. So the current detection methods lack realistic evaluation. This paper composes a framework for accurate assessment and introduces a data augmentation method to improve detection robustness. So, yeah, that was the problem statement to detect many people easily someone can easily frame you and then they claim they are you, yet they are not. So, the researchers basically aimed on solving this kind of problem. And then the machine learning models used the first one was capsule forensic capsule forensic network. So this was just a combination of the capsule networks and CNN. So this combination of the capsule network and the CNN was basically proposed by other researchers also to was just to address some limitations of the CNN. And then another one is exceptional net. You can call it the CNN architecture. So with the exception net, this is it's a popular CNN architecture like in many computer vision tasks, and this has been used to detect face manipulations when it works as the classification network. And then another one is SBIS, pre-trained deep classification network. So for that, a brief information I can say about that is this. This basically refers to a data synthetic method, or you can say self-blended image, which is specifically designed for deepfake detection tasks. And then you have UIVIT, that is vision transformer technique. This one basically detects face forgery using the vision transformer techniques. And then their model evaluation metrics used. So these guys used a model, the model evaluation metrics used in this experiment was just the area under receiver operating characteristics curve. So a sample of the curve is this, where the results for exception network with augmentation. We talked about augmentation in the previous slides. And then, so finally, we have the strength and weaknesses of the models used, of the models and evaluation metrics used. So for the strength, the AUC, ROC, this is widely accepted metrics for evaluating binary classification models and providing let me say a comprehensive measure of model performance across different decision thresholds. And then the other strength of the model was that the use of these multiple defect detection methods, such as the methods we talked about of CAPS forensic, the exception net, SCBI, and lastly the UIVT, the ones we talked about. So this allows for comparative analysis for their strength and weaknesses. And then the final strength in this review journal paper is the evaluation framework considered the evaluation framework considers realistic images and video processing operations, providing insight into robustness of the detection methods in the real world. And then finally, we have our weaknesses. The weaknesses, the models. So that AUCR also we talked about, where the robust metric doesn't necessarily provide insights into model performances at specific operation points and may not capture the full spectrum of detection performance. And the evaluation focuses on a limited set of defect detection methods. It doesn't encapsulate all the ideas, like all the methodologies that could have been used. So potentially overlooking the other promising approaches. So they put more first and then they overlook others of which they maybe never looked up. They would have done better than this one. And then finally, the assessment framework may not fully capture the complexity of real world scenarios and the impact of certain processing operations on detection accuracy may be underestimated or overlooked. So basically, assessment framework may not, as I have said, may not fully capture the complexity of the real world scenario, yet others that maybe would have been able to solve that complexity are overlooked. So that is a weakness that have come up in this. And then finally, those are the references that's the citation to the proposal. Sorry, to the journal paper I was working on.